I would just take a headshot of each of you. They are like rabbits. Everybody jump. These remarks were made to Straight Kids, a famous Korean boy band, by paparazzi at the Met Gala in the US. As soon as the video of the paparazzi's comments was released, it sparked a controversy over whether they were racist. Some Koreans thought the comments were just an American joke
to get profitable photos,
while others felt they were
offensive towards Asians.
A few were not sure if the remarks were racist, but agreed they were certainly rude. Now I will explain why the headshot comment is misunderstood as racist. Here is the text from the thumbnail of Korean media covering this incident. It translated the paparazzi's comment, "I will take a headshot," to "I want to shoot their head," using the Korean verb "soda," meaning shoot. For an accurate translation, they should have used the Korean verb 찍다, meaning to take a photo in this context. I think the author did not know the headshot is one word and mistook shot as a verb because of the Korean word order, where the object comes first and the verb follows. If you enjoy learning Korean with me, Daddy Buddy Sunny, hit the subscribe button.